वेलकम अगेन एवरीवन। सो फिर से आपका मेरे चैनल में स्वागत है और इस बार मैं आपको एक नया टॉपिक बताऊंगी जो यस दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच। यस देयर आर टोटल 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्पीच, जिसमें से हमने ऑलरेडी 7 कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। सो देयर आर 3 मोर। सो लेट मी टेल यू वो कौन सा है। 8th वन, हियर वी गो। सो 8th वन है हमारा कंजंक्शंस। इज अ वेरी वेरी इजी एंड वेरी easy to understand as well as very important. Okay, so conjunctions are basically joining words in a simple one liner meaning of this joining words, ऐसे words जिनकी help से हमारे जो different thoughts हैं, हमारे जो little bit common but thought different है, subject similar है, verb similar है किसी किसी में, so like that. So yes, different thoughts, different sentences, and we have to merge it with the help of conjunctions to convert into one sentence. So 2 thoughts, 2 sentences we can convert into one only with the help of simple word conjunction by mentioning reasons, like telling about the duration of the time or something like that. For example, we use but, because, and, or is like giving you the option, like we are using or so just to show the option. Okay, so what happens in the 2 different sentences where the subject is common, and in some different two different sentences where subject is different but verb is common, action is same, but verb and subject are different but object is same. So anyhow anything is same in 2 different sentences, we can easily use conjunctions joining words to join them together and convert it into single sentence. Okay, for example, I can say I eat banana, I eat apple. So as you can see, subject is common, verb is common, right? Subject is common, verb is common. Subject is I, which is coming in both the sentences. Verb is common, which is eat, coming in both the sentences. But object is different, right? So we can use, why we should have to say these 2 different sentences differently, right? We can tell it in, we can actually, we can tell it in a single sentence. How we can? By using conjunctions easily, and we can use and here because I like to eat banana and apple, right? So if I like to eat both of them, I have to use and for it, because or we use for choice, right? Either I like banana or something else. Okay, but here we will use and, so it will become a single sentence will become I eat banana and apple. Here it is. This is so simple. Conjunctions are so simple, right? Any doubt, any questions, you can simply comment and I will definitely reply to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos and I hope you are liking my videos. Please show your love, shower your blessings. So